Guys, this is Khadija Huda. Welcome back to Exotic Cuisine. I hope you all are doing good. अभी हमारे पास काफ़ी सारा टाइम है टू बी लिटिल मोर क्रिएटिव. हम में से कई लोग हमारी कुकिंग स्किल को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा सभी अपनी डेली रूटीन में बिजी हो जाएंगे. So here I have come up with the premix series called It's All About the Base. So in the premix series I will be showing you all how to make a base, and out of that base we can create many more other dishes. So today I am showing you all Italian mix. First we will prepare an Italian mix, and then out of that we will be making gamberetti spaghetti. So basically gamberetti is nothing but shrimps. So we will be making spaghetti with shrimps today. In Italian, shrimps are called gamberetti. And one more important thing, that Italian cooking is always done with olive oil. So let's see our ingredients. So here are the ingredients, guys. For the gamberetti spaghetti, for the Italian premix, I'm using chopped garlic, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Here is a chopped red chili. This is celery stalk chopped, and basil leaves. Oil and salt as per taste. Butter, prawns, and spaghetti. So let's cook our spaghetti and add little oil in a pan. Let's saute the garlic. Now let's saute the garlic for 2 to 3 minutes. We do not need to brown this. We just need to saute till it turns little pink. 2 minutes of garlic sauteing. I am adding all peppers one by one. I have cut yellow and green into diced and red into juliennes. So meanwhile we'll saute our prawns and prepare for the gamberetti. I am adding little fresh oregano in the bell peppers for the Italian mix, and I will give a stir. Now I am adding oil, half a oil and half butter for the gamberetti. Since we are making butter garlic gamberetti, so let me add both half. Now into this we'll add chopped garlic and we'll saute this for 2 minutes. Now let's saute our shrimps for the gamberetti. As you all can see, our shrimps are turning golden. Spaghetti needs 8 to 10 minutes of cooking. If you want al dente, you can boil these for 8 minutes, and if you want Indian style, 2 minutes extra. So not more than 8 to 10 minutes. Let me add little red chilies and saute this for 2 minutes. I am adding salt and chili flakes for the butter garlic shrimps. Our gamberetti is ready, so I am off the flame, and our Italian mix is also ready. You all can see it looks so colorful and nice. So I have made it little extra, so we'll fill inside this jar and store it in the fridge. So next time whenever I want to use, I'll just take out this bottle from the fridge, and again we can make in easy steps. You can see my premix jar. So this way our one step is reduced, and as and when we want, we can pull out from the fridge and use. As you all can see, spaghetti is done. We added salt while boiling, so we'll add less salt. Now I'm adding chili flakes, and we'll give a good mix. Little more chili flakes and few oregano leaves. I love fresh oregano smell, so I'm adding little extra. And we'll mix it nicely. Now let's add our shrimp, butter garlic shrimp into this. Let's do plating for our gambarati spaghetti. So here our gambarati spaghetti is ready in no time with the help of premix. So enjoy such more recipes of premix in my next episodes. If you add tomato puree and unfried onion in this, you can make shakshuka. If you add a grated potato, you can make frittata. So with this premix, you can make many more dishes. So let's begin with our second Italian sauce, arrabbiata. Arrabbiata in Italy means angry. Let's make our second premix, arrabbiata sauce. From arrabbiata sauce, you can make penne arrabbiata. You can put this sauce on pizzas. You can use them in pastas, lasagnas, and any chicken baked dish. So here are the ingredients for our arrabbiata sauce, which is our second premix. I've taken 6 to 8 tomatoes for blanch, red chilies chopped, chili flakes, garlic chopped, celery chopped, and basil. I've given a small slit at the back, so while peeling it will be easy for us to peel the tomatoes. I'm blanching tomatoes for 30 seconds. Let's heat up our pan and add oil. We'll saute this garlic very lightly. And immediately add our celery stalk. After 30 seconds, I am taking out tomatoes and we'll peel the tomatoes. Meanwhile, add chilies and chili flakes and let them cook. Now let's peel our tomatoes quickly. You all can see skin is coming out easily. You all can see I have de-seeded the tomatoes. Now let us blend the tomato. Now let's add our tomato into the pan and saute this for a while. Now let's add ketchup into this and few basil leaves. Let's add a little extra chili flakes for little more spice and tang. See how beautiful it looks. And my kitchen is having beautiful aroma of basil leaves and oregano. Now our arrabbiata sauce is done. I'll off the flame and I'll fill the jar with extra sauce. Now let us add our pasta and give a good mix. Now let's plate our arrabbiata pasta. Now let's grate the cheese on top. Here our penne arrabbiata is ready from the arrabbiata sauce. From this arrabbiata sauce you can make many more other dishes like pizza, pastas, lasagnas, etc. You can even use on bruschetta. So So you all could see with the Italian mix and with the arrabbiata sauce, we could create two beautiful recipes. So for more recipes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on my Instagram and FB account. Link will be given in the description box. Thank you.